That's about where we started to catch up. Okay, let's see. Did I miss anybody? Hi, Lynn. Hi, Gorge. Legal name, Pocket Roddy. Mama Fader saying for Luna and Zach for partner. Hell yeah. Fantastic. Oh, good. Thank you so much for that hype train, friends. Thank you for the subs and the bits. I appreciate you. If you got emotes, make sure you share them in chat. Mother, why? Father, help. That's exactly what Apollo did. Father, help. The one-time clown isn't being a chaos junkie. Apollo is always handling kitty poop duties. Yeah, imp. Oh, yeah. Go do that. Feel free. Pocket Roddy, thank you for the streak. 4 more hours of work now. Yeah. That is exhausting. No kidding. Ugh. Hi, friends. How's your weekend going? Tell me everything. Pause. How are you, friend? It's good to see you. So good to see you all today. Now, couple things. We are gonna work on this sweater. I know it's getting annoying to see this sweater. I know, because guess what? I'm annoyed with it. If I'm annoyed with it, you're annoyed with it. I get it. But we're making Progresso soup. Allow me to show you what we did yesterday in the car while having to travel around with my parents. Okay, because that's the correct spot. You rode a horse yesterday? Oh my god, Sly, tell me everything. Steampunk, thank you so much. I'll tell you about it in a minute because that yarn bowl is kind of special. That yarn bowl is like extremely special, and I'd love to tell you a little bit about it if that's okay. You did, Lily. How are you liking it? My eldest bought a brand new iPhone 16. Can you get your mom to get me an iPhone 16? And you finished a Granny Pop V-neck. Let's freaking go. Hell yeah, I need pictures, Pony. Oh, Ren Fair, hell yeah, let's go. Ren Fair is so much fun. I was just talking about that with my brother, and man, Ren Fair sounds amazing right now. Was Jacques Z Whipper at your Ren Fair? I need to know if Jacques was there, if Jacques Z Whipper was there. I know he's married. I know I'm married, but damn, what a good looking dude. What a good looking former NPR host. Never thought I'd say that in the universe, but good for him. Third hat this week. Yes, Mama Fader. Get it. Very little moving. Allie. Hugs. If I could rot on the couch with you, I would. No desaturation. Love that, Lily.
That's my boy.
Moo, bitch. Hi, Stormy. How are you? Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I love you, Stormy. What are you up to today? Yes, so this is coming along. So last time when we left off, we were about here. At this first blue line under the armpit. That's about where we were at. So this weekend, we did a lot. So here's the deal. We gotta get this body yaddy yaddy right here to 8 inches total, okay? We're just over 3.5. We gotta get it to 8. So this is basically just endless rounds of repeating the same pattern that we've been doing for a while now. So yes, tomorrow we are gonna be online, and this actually leads into tomorrow too. We're gonna be online tomorrow. Because tomorrow is, I think tomorrow is Canadian Thanksgiving, but it's also a United States federal holiday. It is Indigenous Peoples Day. I swear to God, if any one of you ever calls it Columbus Day, I will throw you out. Not really, but yes, I will. We don't honor that colonist. We don't honor that liar. We honor the people that owned that land. So tomorrow is Indigenous Peoples Day. We get to take that day off and reflect on how we as colonizers are shitty people. I'm okay with that. But anyway, tomorrow is tomorrow's a work day for all of you. Oh my God, I actually get tomorrow off. So I'll be here starting at 12 p.m. Pacific, baby. We're gonna go as long as we can possibly go. We're gonna stream as long as we can possibly stream tomorrow, okay? We're gonna stream as long as we can possibly stream tomorrow. I don't think it's gonna be 12-hour, but we're gonna go as long as we can go tomorrow. Well, hey, Pony, I'll be around if you in case you need a break. Tomorrow